Blood glucose analyzer using VBA in Excel. You can enter your fasting or rando sugar in the user form, then click on the submit button. Now you can see the red highlight is diabetic. Click on the blood glucose entry button and check the sugar again. Now we will look at the comments and get medical advice. No need to check the green color because it means sugar is normal. Now click on the date or time button and enter the current date and time here. If you want to delete all data, click the clear all button and check. Thank you for watching Coding Master VBA. Please share my channel with others.